So Carrie's painting here in the what used to be the old kitchen is now going to be office space for us. Eric's cleaning up the floor again.
Yep, because we made too many messes.
It looks sharp. Eric got all the lights done.
Wired the last one in hot.
Did you? How'd that work out for you?
Perfect.
Did it? Don't try that. Don't try that at home.
Don't ever do that. Not OSHA approved.
It's not anything approved. Not even Ben Blickert approved. I love it. We don't even have anything in here now.
No. Oh my gosh.
Oh, shoot.
That's what burned up. That's what burned up the exhaust fan.
I'm sure it was on all the time.
Screwed up and left it on all the time. Where'd that broom go?
The only thing is, I'm thinking if we keep the doorway here, I don't know, man, how we'll do that. Because if anything, the door should actually be on the other side, not this side.
Right.
But we could put two doors in here
I would wall it up
and make a closet.
and no door, and put the door on that side.
Yeah, probably so.
That would be the better thing to deal with.
Yeah, it would. That was always the plan, to have a door over on that side.
Yeah.
Because that way it, don't see anything.
Okay, no big deal. Man, you guys feel the temperature difference in here now. It stays warm.
Well, with that heater on.
Well, and with the drop ceiling.
Yeah.
It's already cut down the cold air.
Yeah, for sure it would. Cool.